gonna say we're on the Swiss side of Lake Constance now, but it's not been straightforward to find anywhere to park.
Well, no, not on this side, is it?
No, not at all. We found this little place,
There's nothing here.
which I'll show you shortly, but we want somewhere near to a little town, don't we?
Yeah,
a little village that we can walk into
Yeah.
and have an explore. But I'll show you this place quickly. You can stay here for 24 hours, but there's nothing here, so it'd be right for a quick lunch stop like we're having.
Yeah.
Or if you want to stay overnight here, then feel free, but there isn't anything here. Look, we've got Lake Constance there, which we'll have a quick look at in a minute. Other than that, this is it. Be a peaceful night, I should imagine. Peaceful, quiet night, but as I say, nowhere to explore. We're going to get lunch, and then we are going to, I don't know, maybe go back over to the German side.
Yeah. Germany's just up the road.
Yeah. And see what we can figure out. Still having problems with these batteries. Gotta wait till January till they get done.
They're goosed.
They're proper goosed. They didn't even last the night.
No.
So we couldn't put the diesel heater on this morning. But there we go.
We don't mind.
Shit happens.
Let's get let's get some lunch.
Right, well, we're still in Switzerland.
Yeah.
We did manage to find somewhere to stop.
It's been difficult, hasn't it?
It's just a gravel car park though, isn't it? But we'll do.
Yeah.
We're now 24 hours there. And we're heading into the old town. I'm not exactly sure what it's called, so we'll drop the...
It's a medieval old town.
Medieval.
Stein in Rhein.
Is it Stein in Rhein?
Mm-hmm. Rhein.
Okay.
We'll put it down here.
We'll drop it into the video.
Yeah.
There it is. That is where we are heading to. The castle at the top. These places are so quiet though.
Look at the little Christmas trees. They're so cute. Yeah.
So
Everywhere's quiet.
No one around. Nowhere around. Nobody around anywhere.
And it's gone 12 o'clock, hasn't it?
Yeah. So we might have it all to ourselves.
Yeah, we may do. Let's see what this is about.
It's about a town, Anna.
Funny, you know what I mean? Let's go and discover. Oh, I don't know where the bridge is.
The bridge across the river.
There's a bridge, but yeah. Oh, look at this.
So this is the top end of
Lake Constance.
Lake Constance.
Yeah.
I think it's where the Rhine starts to flow back inland, isn't it? Because it comes in further down.
Yeah.
Towards where we were this morning.
Bloody-
Yet another beautiful, stunning place, isn't it?
Yeah,
So far,
I know.
you get the impressions like this when you first walk into a town. You hope it's going to be good. In fact, you probably know it's going to be good.
It will be.
Don't
It
you?
will be.
So I just said on when you get that first impression, your expectations are quite high. Wow, look at this. Isn't that just something else?
I need to.
Oh my.
Wow, look at that. How beautiful is that? Wow.
Look at it.
I think we're going to get banned from saying wow. Just wow. Oh,
This is a proper medieval town, and look at it.
I don't know what to say.
That I didn't expect.
No. No.
I really didn't expect that at all. At all.
Oh my goodness.
So you can pick up a town map and a guide as well, which tells you about all of the buildings, and all of them are numbered, and the guide gives you the history on them. So what we'll do is we'll just give you a snapshot of just some of them that you can see here.
This is such a beautiful town.
It is, isn't it?
Absolutely beautiful.
So this building is the town hall, dating from 1539 to 1542. It was erected as a large merchant house, cloth store, grain store and town hall.
Number 2.
Number 2. So this one here to the left is the Weiser Older from 1418, and it's the oldest preserved mural painting of the Renaissance in Switzerland. Painting from around 1520 by Thomas Schmid. This is the market square where they would have held, like, obviously your markets, weekly markets, and annual fairs would have taken place here. So this building here is known as the Dives or Hexenturm, meaning thief or witch, and the tower is documented from 1548. However, it was already erected in the 14th century. The entrance on the north side is 5 metres above the ground, and it was a jail until about 1800. Just here in front of us we've got the Zeiturm, first mentioned in 1367, and it's the town gate which guarded the important thoroughfare to and from the city. It was destroyed during the bombing in 1945, but then rebuilt to its true original form. So this was once a convent church, and it was erected in the 12th century. In 1561, this church tower was struck by lightning. Are you impressed, Anna?
Very impressed.
Yeah?
Like I say, I don't think I've ever seen anything like it before.
I've never
Every
seen
time I
anything
look,
like
I
it.
see something different.
I know, I've never seen nothing like this.
No.
It's absolutely stunning. Morning.
Morning.
Last night was the first bit of rain we've had since we've been on
I
this
know.
trip. It poured, didn't it?
It did.
Absolutely
poured.
poured. So I think I said back in the UK when we was parked up just after Hartlepool, they were having problems with the batteries. Yeah, they're totally goose now. They don't even last a day. So
No. Oh.
wasn't able to put the diesel heater on this morning. So, but they're not getting done till January. So we'll just have to survive.
Even the water pump. We've turned it off, didn't we?
Yeah.
Oh.
Never mind. So the plan then this morning was going to take a walk to the castle
Yes.
up the top there. And then after that I think we're going to head to, I'm going to start making
Schaffenhausen.
Schaffenhausen, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then hopefully pay a visit to the Rhein Falls.
Yeah.
I'd like to see them at night because they're all lit up.
I know.
So
Maybe we can.
we'll have to see. But that's kind of the plan for today. And then after that,
We'll head back into Germany.
no, yeah. And then across into France.
Yes.
And then up through Nancy, Metz. And then Anna wants to go back into Luxembourg.
Yes, I do.
Because
I like
a few
it there.
things that we missed
Yeah.
on the way down. So
Oh.
That's kind of the plan over the coming few days, but let's get today done with first.
There's a sign up here.
It's a bit of a walk, but
Up there.
I'll have a check.
What is that?
Yeah. The
You need to
Berg
find where the cache is, eh?
Hulkenglingen. Glad we're not driving it.
Oh,
'Cause Twinkle wouldn't make it.
I don't think Anna will make it.
A few steps to go yet. How was that?
Stairs. There were so many.
Half an hour.
Oh, that was hard.
Yeah,
It was really
was
hard.
quite a very steep climb. Well, the castle's not open today. It's I think it's only open Wednesdays, 10 till 5. And we've come up for a geocache as well, which you can only get if the restaurant's open, and that's only open. Yeah,
Never mind. We've done the walk.
certain days of the week, and today isn't one of those days. So
Never mind. Go back down. Head towards.
this is Castle or Berg Hohenklingen. I think it was built around 1423, and it sits over 500 metres above the town below.
So where does the Rhein
It's
start?
there, and then it comes in, and then this is the start of the Rhine
Oh,
here again. So
yeah.
it comes in from the bottom of Lake Constance
Yeah.
through Lake Constance, and then comes back, forms the Rhine here. So a bit of a tip for you: if you come here, obviously the stairs
Oh,
are very steep.
yes. There's thousands of them.
Yeah, so you do need to have a good level of fitness, I think, to get up them. But it is the direct route to the castle at the top. The views aren't as great because obviously all the tree cover. So on the way back down, maybe take the road.
Yeah.
It's a bit easier, and you get those sorts of views that I've just shown you there. Here's where we parked last night.
Yeah.
It was a quiet night, wasn't it?
It was very quiet, apart from the rain,
Apart from the rain. But it's free after 6.
until 10 in the morning.
Yeah, so between 6 at night and 10 in the morning it's free. And you can pay by the parking app or by coins at the machines. They don't take card at the machines, so I just downloaded the app. There we go. Another beautiful place.
Yeah.
We move on from here
Towards Germany.
and back into Germany. Yep. Well, we're here, and I'll be sure to tell people where we're at
Yes.
after a comment in one of our previous videos. How cool is that?
Oh, it's amazing.